Hello and welcome to MyLobby. In this video, I will show you event registration packages configuration. If the event has different attendee packages or privileges, users need an attending name badge to reflect a valid expiration date. If the event requires different packages and expiration dates, the users can set up these packages in the MyLobby backend seamlessly. The expiration dates will be dynamically printed on the name badge when the attendee signs in. Once the event has been created, organizers can add packages according to their requirements. To configure the packages and its validity, log into the MyLobby admin account, then click on the Events tab, and then click the Edit Event. Under the Packages tab, users can enter the package name and its validity. After adding the packages, the users can assign a package to the guests by clicking Guests tab, and then click on the View button. At the bottom part of the guest's details, you will see a drop-down called Package Name. Then select or assign a package to the guest accordingly. And that's the event registration packages configuration. Thank you for watching.